In learning about how organisms reproduce, we need to understand how will be the mode of reproduction in different organisms. The mode of reproduction in organisms is different from the other one. The mode of reproduction in organisms in which new offspring is produced from the parent depends on their body organization. Based on body organization, the reproduction in organisms are of two types: asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. In this type of reproduction, offspring is produced from single parent without involvement of sex cells or gametes or germ cells. Asexual reproduction generally takes place in simple body organized organisms like unicellular organisms, example bacteria, protozoan, microorganisms, and even in multicellular organisms like hydra with simple body structure, and in plants. In unicellular organisms, the types of reproduction are binary fission or cell division, multiple fission, regeneration, budding, spore formation. Binary fission. In binary fission, parent cell splits into two equal halves. Example, amoeba, a protozoan in which the parent cell splits into two daughter cells in any plane without any definite orientation. But in case of Leishmania, a flagellate protozoan which consists of whip-like structure called flagella at one end of the organism, in this cell division takes place in a definite orientation according to their structure. Multiple fission. In multiple fission, a parent cell divides into as many as daughter cells. Example, Plasmodium. Fragmentation. Spirogyra is a multicellular organism in which both sexual and asexual reproduction takes place. During asexual reproduction, on maturation, Spirogyra breaks down into small pieces called as fragments, and each fragment grows as a new individual. Regeneration. Regeneration is the ability of the organism to give rise to a new individual from their body parts. Here, as we see, each cut or broken part of the body grows into new individual. Example, Hydra, Planaria. Regeneration is carried out by specialized cells. The changes in the cell taking place in an organized manner are known as development. Budding. In budding, specialized cells called regenerative cells are involved in reproduction. Example, Hydra. In Hydra, due to repeated cell division at a specific site, an outgrowth occurs called as buds. These buds develop into tiny new individuals. When they mature, they detach from parent body and grows as a new individual. Vegetative propagation. As we discussed earlier in regeneration, some parts of the plants also develop into new plants under suitable conditions. The parts like root, stem, leaves develops into new individuals as a mode of reproduction, which is called as vegetative propagation.